Hello, Guardians fans. I am Groot. Wait, no. I'm Drew. Drew of the Disney Rabbit Hole. And today I'm here to take you on a full ride-through of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind at EPCOT in Walt Disney World. Do you love Guardians of the Galaxy? Better yet, do you love rides based on Guardians of the Galaxy? Awesome! Then you'll definitely want to see our ride-through video of Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout over at Disney California Adventure. Check out the link in the description. Want to support this channel? Super! We'd love it if you would strike that like. And subscribe if you'd like to see more great Disney videos just like this one. Thank you so much. Cosmic Rewind opened on May 27th, 2022, and is EPCOT's first roller coaster and Disney's first backwards launch roller coaster. It replaced the Universe of Energy Pavilion, which closed on August 13th, 2017. The ride is one of the largest fully enclosed coasters in the world and features a controlled 360-degree rotation that enables riders to focus on all the action playing out around them. As in the Guardians of the Galaxy films, music plays a key role in the attraction, and riders might be treated to any one of 6 featured songs during their ride. The ride also received a Christmas overlay that replaced the attraction soundtrack with a holiday medley that includes a version of Run, Rudolph, Run, with the lyrics changed to replace Rudolph's name with rockets. That's the version of the ride you'll see in this video, filmed in December of 2022. And now, join the Disney Rabbit Hole as we turn up our Walkmans and jam along with the Guardians of the Galaxy on this thrilling ride-through of Cosmic Rewind.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Before, but since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, They're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator's gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Then who do you think took it? Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert number prime.
I am watching Terrans from beyond.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed. Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Why?
To erase some error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean?
It's so bad.
The jump point is closing.
Wait, no, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto the evacuation shuttle.
I got it. I removed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait,
What?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What? Where's the key?
the odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast. First it was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making us so
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's the one? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. Rebooting our subsystems.
It is kind of
We'll have the
fun to
power
manage.
back soon. We do hope you
In terms
enjoy
of the experience, like for sure.
Over now. This day get any worse?
Hold down on the lap bar and push up when instructed to do so. Remain seated with your
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I'm locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Was useless to follow me. What is that noise? Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back. Thanks, Terrence.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guys.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not going to be with us.
I see. This is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that cake toast?